So how do I go about individually assigning something in Schoology to either a single student or to a group of students? So for example, over on the left-hand side, if I go down to my members area, the members are those folks that are in my class in some way. And again, this is my CPS course. And I have 5 test students in my class. And test student 1 and test student 2 both belong to a grading group, which I called 1 and 2. So I can assign assignments or discussion boards or other material just to these 2 students by just referring to their grading group. Likewise, I could also assign those things to individual students by referring to the students themselves. So how do you go about doing that? Let's go back to our materials page for a second, clicking on the materials in the upper left-hand corner. And let's go ahead and let's add an assignment. And I'm going to individually assign this assignment. And so when I go down here, I click on that button. And it gives me some options. So I could, it says begin typing the name of a course member or grading group. So there's 1 and 2. And maybe I also want the student 3 to get it. So I could have 0, 3, and there's test student 3. So those are the only students that will see this assignment. Let me show you. I click on create. It yells at me in red. I need to at least give it a group name. Now click on create. And so this is up here at the very top because I like to use that little green plus again. Let me view this course as one of my students. So I'm going to view this course as student number 4. Now student number 4 was not assigned that individual assignment, so that student does not see it. But if I go back to my course, and then I look at the course as another student, say this time student 1, now they'll see that assignment. So you can individually assign assignments by creating groups in your members area or by just typing in their name and assigning it to those students. Hope that's helpful.